make toasted pepitas, you will need 1 cup of raw pepitas or pumpkin seeds and some unrefined sea salt and extra virgin olive oil. You can also season with onion powder or cayenne pepper or garlic powder. Heat a large dry skillet over medium heat and add the pumpkin seeds. And then what you want to do is dry roast these seeds until such point that the aroma starts to come out from them. They'll start to smell like when you make popcorn. Pepitas are a great source of zinc and really high in vitamin B, or the B vitamin group, so excellent for men and women alike, of course. It'll probably take about 5 to 10 minutes depending how hot the pan is. You can just shake them and keep moving them around in order to make sure that they're evenly roasted. So these have been cooking for about 6 to 10 minutes, just dry roasting. You start to see the color changing there. It's getting quite dark. We've heard them popping as well. So they're ready to go. So all you do is you turn your pan down and put them off into a little separate dish here. Yeah, it's gonna go everywhere. That's fun for the kids. Woo! Try not to spill as many as me, but it's a bit of fun. So these are a really great snack for kids. Excellent way to get some zinc and B vitamins into them. So once you've got them in there, you can drizzle with just a little bit of olive oil and some fresh salt. And look at that, amazing. Toasted pepitas with sea salt.